Well, fellas, it's just as an update. I sanded down the second layer of fiberglass I put down. Also put a third layer on that part. Fixed some bubbles in the side panel and the bottom of the door. And didn't film that because I don't know why. But I got this much of it done. And as soon as it gets warm and quits being colder than an iceberg out here, we'll get the rest of it worked on. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is start on this back here. I got some rust prevention on this. I'm gonna see if I can get a welder weld this crack up right here. I don't know why it cracked right there, but it's done the same thing over here on this side. And this is something scraped up against it. Poor paint job on this right here. Just never was sanded, I don't think. But I think I'm gonna remove this and try to stick it back on without tearing it. I've got new tail lights for it. Got a little bubbling coming through right here. But good thing is I've got new seals to go in the back around the cab part here, or the cargo part. And I don't think there's anything up here on this front fender I need to get done except sanding it down, making sure. Might have a little bit of rust right there started, so I need to get that took care of. But the hood is in real good shape. It's got some of these little minor dings right here and they get sanded out. The hood is probably the best part of the whole thing. Then I'm going to work on up here. This right here, I want to reseal all this up in here, dig all this out. Well, you can't see it, but I want to dig all this out right in here and start doing the top. Get that done in the spring, hopefully. But that's all I'm going to do to it for right now. And I'm going to put me a little bit of primer spray on the parts that are still showing a little metal. But other than that, I think she's done until it starts getting warm. Because these old bones don't work too good in the cold. Sorry I've not filmed a lot in the last couple of months because got sick and we had some bad weather and a lot of rain. Now it's getting cold. Like I said, I don't work that well out in the cold. I definitely don't work in the rain. But I'm going to try to do some things here in between. Try to at least keep my channel going. And you guys just hang in there with me. I'll be back as soon as I can doing something, I promise. So we'll catch you later. Y'all have a good day.